Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. So members, you're going to get to see this video for a week to 10 days, depending whether I remember to make it public again at that time frame. But so it's now 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This part of the concrete up here has been down for 11 hours. And so I'm going to start pulling off the form boards down here. And I'm going to make it high speed so you don't have to sit through the whole thing, but you're going to see how much stooping and bending I'm doing as I pull off the form boards here. So I'm going to set it up and let it get going. Tell by we got the wind blowing again up here in the trees. Storm clouds are coming in. About an hour and a half ago that we got some sprinkles on our face and then it stopped. So I'm going to set this up. No, maybe that was one, I don't know. I'm going to set it up inside the shop here, looking out so you can see everything that's going on. And we'll run it at high speed. All right, so let me set it over here and get it set up. And make sure it shows everything. Okay. Back it up a little bit. Yeah, okay. And there we go. Now it shows everything. All right, so I'm going to go out there and do it and get at it, and we'll see how long it takes me. All right, school bus is here. Let's see what's going on. All right. Aiden got off okay by himself, so I'm going to go back to it. All right, battery died. I got to go get a new battery and then I'll get back at it. Put all these screws over together in one spot here. handful's getting too big. Last screws. All right, so that's all the screws pulled out. And so every stake had 1 5/8" screw, and every mending board had 4 3" screws. So this was the oddball one. I had to cut a short piece to get the angle down right so they could. Basically, it was a little bit of a slight slope, but almost flat transition piece right here, so they could get the. That's where the all the water flows to there, and then it'll flow from here over to that one there next time. So now the only ones that did not have of the stakes that did not have screws in it were these across here that we dropped this board here in. It had a mending board on it here with 4 screws, and then 2 screws over there on the far side coming straight into it. And we just once we had the board in place, we just Timmy just drove the stakes in to keep it from bowing. It didn't need to be supported because it also has a 2x4, a long one going across there to bridge the gap to keep it straight. So I can feel sprinkles coming down on me. So I'm gonna go grab the hammer down there and the channel locks, and I'm gonna pop these out here to get the inboard off. And depending on how much it starts sprinkling, I will try to get some of these other boards off as well. You know, pull some of the stakes and get the boards off. Otherwise, I just may wait till later. So, whew. Oh. Alrighty, so let me set this down back in here so it doesn't get wet, and make sure I still have everything there. Okay. Some of these come out fairly easy. Channel locks, I twist it a little bit, then I just tap up to get it out. Others up there are going to be a bear. I did this one here just to show you how it comes off. This is the thinnest part of the driveway. Between the 2 stalls here, it's only 4 inches. And so it'll be 4 inches over here against the far side, over that way over there when we do the other one. moving these back so the door can close. Alright, so my back's saying I'm a stupid idiot. I'm too old for this stuff. So, but some of these that are in here, up here, are going to be kind of tough. So I really had to drive them down in there into the hard packed soil. But all right, so I got it taken care of here. Got the end all cleared off. Got the board on the other and it popped off too. So I just got to take this one here apart. It's got 8 screws in it, 4 into each of the long boards. So once I get later on, I'll take those out. Whew. So, and probably, and my brain try to work here. Today's Tuesday, so Friday I'll probably go ahead and grade this down a little bit, push it up a little bit closer to the seam there, take some of the rock over there, spread it on top, get some of the more of the 3/4 over there, and put it right up against it there so it meshes in there and doesn't damage the concrete. By Friday it'd be a lot harder and a lot more safe to work with that way. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday I'll be able to park the truck on it. So I got several other short videos to put out. Some of them are going to be members only, so those will be coming out. Those may be out before I get this one here edited with the high speed and get out to you. So depending on what the weather does tomorrow, I may or may not be going under the house, and I'll show you why here in a second. Let me close this down and get over there. I can show you why. Yep, there it goes. The weekend of the 19th, which is next week, week of the 19th, which is next week, the gutter guy is going to come out and put gutters up, 6-inch gutters on there, 6-inch gutters across here, and 5-inch gutters on the front. Only 5-inch on the front because they're shorter runs and they go to either end of the house. This one goes all the way down here. If it's raining tomorrow, that means the water is going to be pouring off right onto here, which means I'm not going to open that up. So if it's not raining and it looks like I got an hour or so, I'll slide under there and hopefully I'll be able to do a live stream for members only under there. So members, that's the job looking forward to. Regular subscribers, yeah, hey, something the members are going to get. Of course, they'll probably see that live before you even see this on YouTube when I make it public. All right, so before I head off, I'm going to put a video here you might like, and then down where my hand is here, I'll put the indoor garden experiment playlist, and up here will be Gray Man Prepping, my preparedness channel, and then here will be the link to subscribe to this channel for once it goes public, that is. Alrighty guys, see you later.